Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome sync pause problem. So if you find this Chrome that you are sync in or sign in here showing pause like I did in here, you can see sync is pause. This is what you are going to do to sync back in. You can just click on this pause button easily and then you can just sign in again. So you can tap on this sign in again and then you can log into your Google account again in here by entering the emails or phone number. You can tap on next. Now you can just enter your password in here. So I'm going to uh, enter my password here. Now you can just tap on next and click on enter. And just like that, now you are signed in and the sync is back on. The sync is on again. So that's all from me. That's how you can fix the sync pause on Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like icon. Click on the comment if you have any question. Also click on the thanks and subscribe button. Bye.